Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the eSIM in your Apple Watch Ultra. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest software and your cellular carrier supports Apple Watch cellular plans. The Apple Watch Ultra utilizes an embedded eSIM, meaning there is no physical SIM card to insert. This allows for seamless activation directly through your paired iPhone, providing cellular connectivity even when your phone isn't nearby. We'll walk through the simple steps to get you connected. To set up cellular service, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Tap the My Watch tab, then select Cellular. You'll see an option to set up cellular or add a new plan. Follow the prompts from your carrier, which might involve logging into your account or scanning a QR code. This straightforward process typically takes just a few minutes, linking your watch to your existing cellular plan. Once activated, managing your cellular plan is simple. Within the Apple Watch app, under the Cellular section, you can view your plan's status. If you need to change or remove your plan, you'll typically do this directly through your cellular carrier's website or customer service. Your Apple Watch Ultra can operate independently for calls, texts, and data, offering incredible freedom. You can also check data usage directly on the watch. The benefits of cellular on your Apple Watch Ultra are immense. Make and receive calls, send messages, and stream music all without your iPhone. Crucially, emergency SOS features work even when your phone isn't present. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your iPhone and Apple Watch. For persistent problems, especially with activation or billing, contacting your cellular carrier directly is the best next step. Enjoy the freedom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.